Bacteri- Bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is a phage. Phage virus infects bacteria is called a bacteriophage. It is a type of virus. This type is example was T4 bacteriophage. T4 bacteriophage shape was tadpole shaped. The T4 bacteriophage multiplication or life cycle is here. The multiplication of life cycle is like two types are there. One is lytic cycle, the another one is lysogenic cycle. The lytic cycle, the host bacterial cell is dying. During the lytic cycle, phage disintegration of host bacterial cell. The steps involved the lytic cycle as follows. The first step is adsorption. Adsorption. The phage T4 bacteriophage particles the cell wall of host is contact between the two recognize the specific receptor is sites presents the bacterial cell surface. The lipopolysaccharide of the tail fibers act as receptor in phage. The process involving the recognition of phage bacterium is called landing. Once the contact established between the tail fiber and bacterial cell, tail fiber bind anchor the pin as the base plate is the cell surface. This step is called pinning. Next, penetration. The penetration process involves the mechanical and enzymatical decision in the cell wall of host. The recognition of site phage of dissect concerned cell wall structure of the viral enzyme. After pinning, the tail sheath contact the appear of shorter and thicker. After the contraction and of the base plate enlarges through with the DNA injected into the cell wall without using metabolic energy. This step involving injection of DNA particle alone into the bacterial cell is called transfection. The empty protein cast living outside of the cell is known as host. Next step, synthesis. This step synthesis is degradation of bacterial chromosome, protein synthesis and DNA replication. The phage nucleic acid takes over the host biosynthetic machinery. The host get inactivated and break down. Phage DNA suppresses the synthesis bacterial protein and direct metabolism in the cell synthesis the proteins and the phage particle and simultaneously replication of phage DNA also takes place. Next, assembly and maturation. The DNA of phage protein are synthesized separately and are assembled the phage particle. The process of assembling the phage particle is known as maturation. After 20 minutes, the infection about 300 new phages are assembled. Next, release. The phage particle gets assembled inside the host and the released lies the host cell wall. This is the diagram of lytic cycle. First one is adsorption, second one is penetration, third one is synthesis of phage particles, fourth one is assembly of maturation, fifth one is release. This is the lytic cycle. Next, lysogenic cycle. The lysogenic cycle DNA integrated in the host DNA is multiplied along the nucleic acid on the host. No independent viral particle is formed. As soon as the phage inject in the linear DNA into the host cell, it becomes circular, integrates into the bacterial chromosome recombination. The integrated page DNA, now called prophage. The actively prophage is gene is repressed by two repressor protein which is synthesized by phage genes. This checks the synthesized new phage within the host cell. However, each bacterial cell divides, prophage multiplies with the bacterial chromosome. This is the lysogenic cycle picture. The first absorption, but the phage DNA was injected to the bacterial cell. Next, the circular DNA adding the bacterial DNA. This is called prophage. Next, the bacterial cell multiplied in the bacterial DNA and viral DNA simultaneously produced the bacterial cell. This type, the host cell was not damaged. So this is lysogenic cycle. Next, virion. Virion is a intact infective viral particle which is non-replicating outside of host cell. Viroid. Viroid is a circular single-strand DNA without capsid. Virusoid. Virusoid is a small circular RNA, but they linked in the larger molecule of viral DNA. Next, prion. Prion is a protein particle. The protein particle occurs infectious particle. That's all.